Hi guys, so I forgot one thing. I'm going to show you how to add the link for the YouTube video into the assignment. So in the email that I sent you, I have two videos, one for the kids, one for you. So you can come to the one for the kids, copy it, then go to your classroom to the assignment for Friday, ELA. And remember, we already put in the main idea assignment right there. You're going to go to that little paperclip add. This time you're going to add a YouTube link. You're going to paste that link into the YouTube little box and search. So that little search. Then you are going to click this video so it highlights it blue and you know it's the right one because it just says main idea Google assignment. And then you are going to just click after you clicked the video itself and made it blue. You're going to add it, and there it is. And that's all you have to do. Okay. Hope that helps. Bye.